Good morning, everyone. It's been with our panelists. We are Group 4. For today's discussion, we will talk about climate change. But before that, I will introduce the members of this group. I am Cheryl Duranes. I am a moderator of this group. I graduated from Harvard Law School. And let us welcome our first panelist, Mary Sidney Millerin. She is a lawyer graduated from Harvard Law School. He is an engineer that graduated from St. And the third panelist, Christina Parr. She is a businesswoman that graduated from Eastern Visayas State University. And the last panelist, Seiji Pacaldo. He is a professional doctor. And now, we will start our discussion. What is a climate change? Climate change is described as one of the most fundamental challenges facing humanity with adverse effect already observable. This impact may intensify over time, threatening sustainable development and economic growth. Climate change is the average weather of a given area or region. And what are the causes of a climate change?
There are many kinds of causes of climate change. The first is pollution. There are many types of pollution. Air pollution is one of the most main causes of climate change. They are caused by human activities.
Forestation, clearance of forest for agriculture, urbanization, and other purpose related to monoxide area removed and to be acquired to act as carbon sink.
Also, burning of fossil fuels. The burning of coal, oil, and gas for energy releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
Industrial process, production of oil for agriculture, for industrial process, and release
Let's proceed.
production of steel and other industrial process release large amount of greenhouse gases.
What are the effects of climate change?
According to weather forecast, climate change leads to rising temperature, melting ice cap, and more extreme weather, impacting the environment and human health. Economically, it affects agriculture, infrastructure, and healthcare costs. Socially, it causes community displacement and resource conflicts. Global efforts are needed to reduce emissions, adapt renewable energy, and implement the adaptation strategies.
And how to resolve climate change?
According to the United States government, to lessen the effects of climate change, firstly is proper waste management. Proper waste management is very fundamental to us. It helps our environment to keep its healthy surroundings. Proper waste management can also help us prevent pollution, which are one of the causes of climate change. And lastly, stop deforestation. Stopping deforestation is very important because plants and trees provide us oxygen. To avoid this, we should plant more trees and educate people on how to take care of our ecosystem.
And to summarize, climate change is a change in the average weather of a given area or region which has intensified over time. The causes of this are the human activities and natural factors which lead the effect in our environment, but there are many several ways or variety on how to lessen the climate change into intensifying. And that would be all. Thank you.